All right, hello everyone. I am Enzo, and I'm just here to present my new blog and to say hello to everyone. Yeah, thank you so much to care about this project, so to speak. It's just I've just started this blog. It's called, Train Sounds, Thoughts, Emotion, and it's about just to write something about lifestyle, the place I visit or I am visiting right now, or maybe in the past, in the future. I don't know. It could be something creative, some text, fragment. With literature, or maybe something academical. I don't know, or something with music, so to speak, films, and so on. Yeah. It's just like my motto, yeah. Just thoughts in motion, yeah. I know what happens, how could happen tomorrow, yeah. Maybe I go in this direction or the other one or that one, yeah. It is about that, yeah. So for now, I just have one. It's called the Doppelganger this times and or in the Italian fashion, part one. So it was about my visit in Rome for this year. Yeah, the beginning of this year, of course. For me, it was like a big surprise just to see this clothing shop. Yeah, this shop for clothes, of course. um, the name. It was for me, wow, doppelganger. I mean, I never saw this topic from the literature could be in the fashion as well. Yeah, it's not very hard to think about it because yeah, uh, we can when we can create a lot of identities through the clothes that we are wearing, right? So yeah, in this sense, yeah, is very logical. Yeah, that one one could just think about a cool name, um, and then you can go to this one. Yeah, yeah. So I just go. I would like to invite you to my blog to read this one. Yeah. Again, the first post about Doppelganger. Yeah, is very special for me because it's a part of my work in. With academical purpose. Yeah, related to this emotion. I'm working with that. Yeah, work in progress. So for now, I just want to speak something about the next post. Yeah. So the next one is very special because it's this place in Rome. It's called Piazza della Suburra. And sorry, it is about there is a project from art in the streets. Yeah, I mean, it's still in progress. Yeah, and I was very, how can I say it, very fascinated, amazed about that. Yeah, art stop. Yeah, super vicino. Yeah, the art in the public space, so to speak, right? It would be just maybe, how can I say, just one part of many histories of this place, Piazza della Suburra, that I have on mind. Yeah, if I am doing myself clear to that. Yeah, what is the Piazza della Suburra about? Yeah, and it was a very nice neighborhood. Yeah, very artistic one, if I can say that. Yeah, there is some like school for music. There's a lot of student life there. Yeah, it is just about that. Yeah, that I wanna uh, write something about that. Yeah, I want to share with you this topic. I'm gonna be more in touch with this kind of expressions with videos, and maybe some days I would like just to make some videos about culture, music, literature, and so on. Yeah, that's a part of my project right now. So thanks so much for the interest. Yeah, yeah, I would like to see your comments in the blog, or maybe just here. Yeah, thank you so much. We see we see you in a couple of weeks or days, or I don't know. Thank you so much, and yeah, have a nice one. Yeah, cheers.